What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another guide to help you get the most out of your gaming experience. If you're facing stuttering or FPS drops in STALKER 2, I've got you covered with actionable solutions to smooth things out. If this video helps you out, be sure to like it. Now, let's get started. Solution 1. Update graphics drivers. The first solution is to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Head to your GPU manufacturer's official website, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, then go to the Download Drivers section and grab the latest version. Updated drivers often fix performance issues and optimize the game for your hardware. Solution 2. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Next, tweaking your in-game settings can significantly improve performance. Resolution, lower it to reduce GPU load. Texture quality, set this to medium or low. Shadows and reflections, reduce these settings for an FPS boost. Anti-aliasing, lower or turn this off completely. These adjustments can make a noticeable difference in your gameplay. Solution 3. Disable frame generation. Some players have reported that disabling frame generation can resolve FPS drops. Go to your game settings, find this feature, and turn it off to see if it improves performance. Solution 4. Apply launch options. For Steam users, applying specific launch options can help. Right-click on STALKER 2 in your Steam library, then go to Properties. Under Launch Options, type Stuttering compile, no thread timeout, no verify GC. This can reduce stuttering and improve frame consistency. Solution 5. Use performance mods. Consider downloading performance mods from trusted sources like Nexus Mods. Look for mods such as STALKER Optimizer, enhances shader compilation and asset streaming. Ultimate Engine Tweaks, reduces stuttering and improves overall performance. Solution 6. Monitor for memory leaks. STALKER 2 is known to have occasional memory leaks. Restart the game periodically to clear memory and maintain performance. Solution 7. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can also lead to performance drops. On Steam, right-click on the game, then go to Properties Local Files, verify integrity of game files. Let the system scan and repair any corrupted files. Solution 8. Close background applications. Ensure no unnecessary apps are running in the background. Use Task Manager to close resource-heavy programs and free up system resources for smoother gameplay. That's it for this guide on fixing stuttering and FPS drops in STALKER 2. I hope these solutions help you enjoy a smoother experience in the zone. If they do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gaming tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.